How to open a Swiss Army knife without danger. Hello and welcome. Following the series on how to open a Swiss Army knife with one hand, in this video I will show the way to open it securely with both hands. That is by far the best and most secure way to do it. I can only encourage you to always be careful. The blade can cut, but also other tools can be dangerous for yourself or for others. So the best way for me is to hold both scales, okay, like this, between the thumb and index finger. Okay, then with the right hand I will get the blade with the nail on the nail mark, okay, and the index finger on the other part of the blade, and then I can start opening the blade. On the left hand, all three remaining fingers have to be kept below the scales, okay? If you do it only with one finger, this one can get cut, okay? Because the spring of the blade will try to close the blade and this finger can get cut. So all three fingers below, and you end the movement to fully open it, okay? Once it's open, you can use the blade, okay? And then to close it, you get back to the position here with the thumb and the index finger on the scales. Same thing here. And the back of the blade will stay here on the hand, okay? And now I can turn my hand and accompany the blade all the way until the end. This way I never get a finger in a position where it can get cut, okay? So here you just have to be careful not to stab yourself, your hand, okay, with the blade. But if you just leave the back of the blade on your hand like this, then it will be okay. Okay, if you have other ways to open and close that you think are better, you can try explaining it in the comments. I will read it carefully, but I think the best way would be to show it in the video. Swiss Army knives are here to help on your everyday life, just like my YouTube channel. If you want to support this channel, do not hesitate to subscribe, like, comment and share. You can also buy me a coffee with the link in the description to help me stay awake. Thanks for watching.